In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a profitable Shopify dropshipping business for $0. This is the exact strategy that I recommend to use if you're on a low budget to start your dropshipping store. And this method is an untapped, proven, and validated strategy that I used last month to generate $130 my very first day using this. And I've also had countless other students use this and hit $1,000, $2,000, even $10,000 their very first month using this. And I'm going to be walking you through step by step, showing you how to set up this insanely powerful strategy into your Shopify dropshipping business. So with that being said, if you are new to the channel, my name's Tan, and I'm currently documenting the entire process of building my online business and being as transparent as possible. So if you want to follow along, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But without further ado, let's get into the value. Alright, so the first thing I want to go over is the fact that I recommend a $1,000 to $2,000 budget to actually start dropshipping. But if you don't have that budget right now, don't worry, because I'm going to be showing you this low budget strategy. And I truly believe if you follow this method to the T and do everything I'm going to be showing you today, then you can get sales your first or even second day trying out this method. So with that being said, let's get into the value, and I'm going to show you how you can set this up in your store. Alright guys, so normally when you start your Shopify dropshipping business, the first thing you would want to do is set up your Shopify store. But since we are on such a low budget, we're not going to want to start our Shopify store until we find our product. So I'm going to be showing you guys the best low budget strategy to find winning products almost instantly. So let's hop into my computer and I'm going to show you guys how to set this up yourself. Alright guys, so this method is relatively easy. The very first thing we're going to want to do is come onto Google and look up AliExpress Dropshipping Center, and we're going to want to click the very first link. And if you've never heard of the Dropshipping Center, this is actually a platform listed by AliExpress that gives you direct access and data to tons of products that are currently being sold on AliExpress. And what we can do is we can come onto this platform and actually tap into data from other suppliers. So the first thing we're going to want to do is click this find products to sell, and it's going to populate us to this portal of all these other viral products that are actually blowing up. So right now you should be on a page very similar to this, and what we can do is we can scroll down and we can look at some of these products, because as you see, this product has 48,000 orders, this one has 29,000 orders, and we can scroll down here until we find some products that we want to sell. So another indication that these products are being drop shipped right now is this DS orders section over here. So this is only counting orders that have been directly integrated from the DSers app that AliExpress provides. So even though you only see 119 orders over here, that's definitely not accurate, because it doesn't include data from Oberlo or any private links that the suppliers are actually making for drop shippers. But definitely still use this metric, because if we keep scrolling down, we can see products just like this one had 2,886 out of 13,000 orders that have been drop shipped through their center, and these ones over here have tons of orders as well. So what we can do is we can open these links up and it will take us directly to the AliExpress link. And one thing that I want you guys to keep in mind is that we're not just looking for products with tons of orders, but we're actually looking for products that solve real world problems, because at the end of the day, some cool slippers like this might get some sales, but it doesn't have that drawing factor that has customers buy them like wildfire. So let me give you a really good example over here. In one of my dropshipping challenges, I chose this shower head over here. I'll put a photo on the screen, and what this product does, it actually takes toxins out of your water and purifies any hard water. So this is the perfect type of product that will draw customers in to find your product, because even though it looks cool, they're actually buying your product for the problem that it's solving. And this is going to make sure that your conversion rate's much higher. And in order to be successful with the advertising strategy I'm going to be showing you today, it must be a problem solving product. So definitely go through this list and keep scrolling until you find a product that actually solves a real world problem. So I'm going to keep scrolling myself until I find one, and I'll be back with you guys in a few minutes. Alright, so here we go. I just found a product. It's a two-way pet hair remover, and if we check this link out, what this product does, it removes hair from carpets really effectively, and if you see, there's 8,500 reviews on this product and 32,000 orders, so this is a really good indication that this product's very successful right now. Now, once you find a product you're interested in, I recommend you go to the product title and copy some of the keywords down. So I'm gonna copy two-way pet hair remover roller, and I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste this onto Google. And what we're looking for is other Shopify dropshipping businesses that are actually selling this product. So once the product's typed in, let's head over to this Google Shopping tab over here, and we're gonna be scrolling down to see if other companies are selling this. So as you can see, we already see tons of companies right off the bat that are selling these. So I'm gonna open them up, and number one, I wanna check out the price that they're actually selling this product for, because whenever we find products on AliExpress, we wanna make sure that we can mark them up by at least 300%. So with that being said, I'm gonna get over to the store creation, and I'm gonna show you the most low budget way to get your Shopify dropshipping store off the ground and actually have a successful store that will guarantee customers convert on your website. Alright, so the first thing that we have to do to get our store set up is we need to choose a Shopify theme. My favorite free Shopify themes are Debut, Brooklyn, or Boundless. These are all really good options that will get your store built for completely no cost. Now in this video, I'm not going to be walking through the entire store creation, but I will leave a link above where I show you guys how to do this. But now that you have your theme installed, the next thing we're going to need to do is create a logo. And you can create a logo in just a few minutes, download it onto your store, and it should be looking really solid right now. Then obviously you're gonna need to buy a domain name for your Shopify store, and this is the only thing in this entire method that's not free. There's no way to get around this, but I am gonna help you guys reduce this cost to only 99 cents. So what you can do is type on Google 99-cent GoDaddy domain. There will be a link that pops up that will automatically inject a discount code where you can get started for your domain for only 99 cents. And then all you have to do is connect it into Shopify, and that will save you $12 right there. Alright guys, so let's hop into the advertising segment of this video, and I'm going to be showing you how to harness unlimited traffic using TikTok. So if you aren't aware, TikTok has become this industry leader in e-commerce right now, and there's a massive opportunity with individuals with low budget to build simple TikToks around their store and get tons of visitors. And this is actually how I launched this store up and got 3 sales my very first day using this. And it's a very simple strategy, but I guarantee if you don't follow exactly what I'm showing you guys, then this method is not gonna work. Before we get into the method, I want to show you a real example with one of the TikTok accounts that I use to implement this strategy. So this profile is called the Sun Lamp, and if you see, we're posting different viral content on TikTok, and we're getting almost 200 likes. This one got 300 likes on every single video for completely free. So we got 1,700 likes in a matter of just a few days by implementing this, and it actually attributed to over 5 sales for completely no cost. So in order to make these posts, we have 2 options. Option number 1 would be browsing for different stock footage on AliExpress or Alibaba. If you go to some of the product pages, you'll see that they have videos which you can download, and we can recreate them into TikToks, but there's a very specific formula to do that. So that's option number 1. This could be a little bit time intensive, but it actually works. So this is one of AliExpress's page, and you can see on every one of their videos, they're posting different viral content and just making very simple TikToks out of the product videos. So this is one of the ways that I would implement this strategy. Another thing you can do is make duets of user-generated content. So for example, there's this page over here, and we could come over to their video and we could click this share button and we could click duet, but this page has disabled duets. So we're gonna wanna find other user-generated content that we can do this, and we can just put different reaction videos. So I'll put one on the screen that shows exactly what I'm meaning so you guys have another understanding.
You see this? We want this. We love this. We need this. But this Yeah, we don't need this.
And then the third and final method to leverage free TikTok traffic is ordering the product off Amazon. So while this isn't free, this is a very cost-effective way to get tons of viewers to your product. And if you order the product once, then you can make tons of TikToks. So if you see, that's what we did on this page. This is a duet that we did. And if you come down, this is another duet, but these are all user-generated content that we're using. So you can see how effective a post like this would be. And I have tons of them just like this. So if you order it, it's gonna give your chances of being successful much higher. But keep in mind, it's not good enough just to have solid content. We're gonna need to be posting all of our TikToks with different viral songs. So if you're not aware how TikTok works, when you go to add music, there should be a viral section over there. And we're gonna wanna add the first, the second, or the third most viral songs on that list. And one thing you can do is you can actually dim the volume down to almost zero. So this way you're gonna get the effects of the TikTok algorithm being boosted on one of these viral songs without the music playing. So this is a really easy and effective way to get video advertisements delivered to tons of people across the world for free. And the reason why I showed you guys to find problem-solving products is if the product just looks cool, I found it's just not as effective if the product's bringing real-world value to someone. So definitely go out and try this method out. I promise it works. I got sales my very first day, and I have tons of students who've been absolutely crushing it using this strategy. And if you guys want to take it to the next level, then I recommend you guys try my dropshipping program. You guys can sign up for a free trial for only $1, where I show you absolutely everything that got me to $5 million in dropshipping sales. I show you guys the entire strategy click by click, and there's literally no risk. So I definitely recommend you try it out while it's still available, because I'm not going to be keeping this offer up for long. But I really hope you did enjoy today's video and got a ton of value. Go out and implement this strategy today. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.